everyone, we appreciate you tuning in. Today we're doing a campground review on Camp Margaritaville here in Auburndale, Florida. So Margaritaville is located 30 to 40 miles west of Orlando and a few miles east of Lakeland, Florida.
Yeah, please pardon the sunglasses, but we are in Florida and it is nice and sunny out here, so please pardon that. Yeah, so, hey, listen, this is not our first time being at Camp Margaritaville. We were here for the filming of RV Unplugged back in January. Then we came for the Tiffin Rally. I think that was around April.
That's
right.
And
we just completed the RV Unplugged finale rally here. We enjoyed it so much that we decided to stay an extra week just to relax and enjoy the facility here. So, hey, let's dive into this review process, okay?
Let's go.
By the way, if you like this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you'll see the next video. Now, let's talk about the check-in process.
I think it was very seamless and easy, but you're the driver, so you tell us what.
Yeah, what I liked about it is you pull up to the gate there, if you will, and there's the ranger would, check your reservation, give you all the information, you package, and then they escort you to your site. Also, what we liked is how large this place is. It's got the wide roads.
Yep, it's easy to maneuver.
It's easy to get in and out of these sites, even in big rigs. So it's very big rig friendly, which is a plus for us, right?
Absolutely.
All right, let's talk a little bit about different types of sites they have here, okay? So they have back end, they have premium back end, they have pull-throughs, premium pull-throughs, and they have tiki huts and motorhome suites, and we're going to show you all of that right now. In fact, let's hop on the bikes and let's show them. I love this right here. This is a big parking lot as you enter. This is where you can actually unhook your tote if you want, or if you have a long trailer, you can actually unhook your trailer right here if your site won't hold it. There's the big pool area. We'll take you to all that in just a few minutes. Now we're going to take you through the back end sections, and you see us here. There's our Tiffin at the back end. Yep. I think these, Clay, are called the premium back ends because they're so close to all the amenities. Look at the beautiful landscaping, man. I mean, there's not a tremendous amount of landscaping between you and your neighbor, but what's there, in my opinion, is absolutely beautiful. I just love the tropical vibe. Let me slow down right here. This is a back end with a tiki hut. Check that out. Clay and I've had this before when we were here for... Hey guys, how we doing?
How y'all doing?
Everybody all right? Y'all still here from the rally?
No, we actually got here after the rally.
Oh, okay.
Y'all on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Well, thank y'all. Thank y'all very much. This is a back-end tiki site because they actually have pull-through tiki sites as well. Look at that. That's so cool. So as you can see, when you have a tiki hut, you have a bar. Check out the roof. Has a fan, a TV in here. Has a sink, some chairs, of course the artificial turf. Just really nice and clean sites, man. And these back ends are around 80 feet in length. And you can see the beautiful landscaping here all through the sites. Back end tiki hut, Clay, right there, see it? Yeah. Yeah, and as mentioned before, this is the first week of school for many states. So that's why Camp Margaritaville is just about empty for the moment. And this is a large RV resort. It has 326 RV sites and 75 cabana cabins. It sits on 66 acres. And this is what it looks like when it's filled with RVs. Now we want to show you some of the cabana cabins they have. And as mentioned before, I believe they have 75 of these on property. All right, so now we're going to take you over to the premium pull-through sites. And look, Clay, these things are 90 feet long. Let me stop right here and just show folks here. Site 121, for example. Look at this, look how long that is. That's 90 feet long, 35 feet wide. So if you do have a rig and a trailer like we would come sometimes, we're 70 feet long, so we could fit in there. Yep. Absolutely. And it's so easy to get in and out of here with the big rigs. We're coming up on a bathhouse, and I'll show you that, what the bathhouses look like. Okay. show you the laundry room here. Okay, yeah. So you have 4 dryers here, 4 washers. Dry a load of clothes is $1.75. To wash some clothes, it looks like it's, what, maybe $2. Yeah. You got your folding tables here. Some detergents if you don't bring any. Well, there's a pull-through clay right there with a tiki hut. Yeah, let's shoot through there. By the way, as you would imagine in Margaritaville, these are full hookups, 30 and 50 amp. There's your water right there. Sewer. What do you think, Clay?
This is gorgeous.
This nice pull-through site, man.
We have not been in one of these, right?
No, we haven't. We haven't. So we've covered the pull-throughs, we covered the back ends, we covered some cabanas. Now I want to take them to the motorhome suites and then the 5 o'clock somewhere motorhome suites. And here is the motorhome suite. So you have to be in a Class A, Class C, or Class B to reserve these because they're for motorhomes only. We're going to show you this site right here.
I love the fact that this big, right? I love the fact that these have the big egg. This one is red, but
Yeah.
look at the hammock.
Oh yeah, got a little hammock here. Look at this. Yeah. All pull-ins, yep. Yeah, you have to be in a motorhome to get these. Cool chairs. And of course, the great tiki hut. And this is definitely for more than the smaller tiki hut, because look, I mean, you've got room for, you got 3 chairs there, you can put 2 or 3 more here, a larger refrigerator. Look at this, Clay. We got to get one of these next time we come.
I know, these are nice.
And here's how the motorhome suites look when they're being used. And we're going to show you the difference between the motorhome suite and the 5 o'clock somewhere suite.
Yeah.
What you get a little extra, more convenience, more amenities. We're going to show you that right now. Let's get over there.
Coming up.
All right, we're coming up on the 5 o'clock somewhere motorhome suites. Let's just pick this one right here. Yeah, check this out. So the difference here in the 5 o'clock is same type of amenities you have here in the RV, in the regular motorhome suites, okay? You see the hammock, your chairs, your grill. But the benefit is you're overlooking the lake
The pool.
and the pool, yeah. Not to mention, you're right beside the License to Chill bar right there. Look, I think they've added these cabanas recently.
So this is new?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think they were new here. A lot of nice landscaping here. We're going to hit the License to Chill Sun-Baked Barbecue restaurant. Let's try it out. How about this? Here at the License to Chill bar, there's plenty of bike and golf cart parking. Inside, you'll have plenty of seating and a great view of one of the 2 pools here in the resort. Back in the rear, there's a large dock, which can also be used for events, rallies, or just relaxing on the lake. Back inside, we're greeted by Ashley, who is one of our favorites. We pulled up a chair and ordered some dinner. The Sun-Baked Barbecue kitchen was not open, but we could order from one of the 2 other restaurants and they will deliver it down to us. More on those in just a moment.
Okay, so let's talk about the amenities.
Yeah, because there are a lot of them here, right?
They are
and
plenty.
all of these amenities, of course, is what factor into the price here, because it's not really that cheap. It's not inexpensive to stay here, but that's because of all the amenities and what have
That's
you,
right.
So let's show you
That's
some of those now. A favorite spot to gather for many adults is the Tiki Bar. where some try out for American Idol and others, well, just trying to keep up. And let me tell you, there have been some incredible stories told around this area. And hey, some may have even been true. All right, I'm going to take you inside the reservations area, the retreat, which is a venue, and then I'll take you to the club store over here. Need to revise your reservation? Step inside here. Back outside, turn to your left and you'll see the retreat. Another venue site, great for meetings and rallies. Here in the same building, you'll find the guest services and the camp store. Grab your favorite souvenir. Or some basic RV supplies. Or maybe something to cool your thirst. And just outside the store is one of a couple playgrounds, the Parakeets Kids Park. Beside it is the Jolly Mon Splash Pad. And beside the splash pad is the resort's large main swimming pool with its 147-foot water slide. And here at the pool area, they have the Fins Up Fitness Center, which has some basic cardio, some dumbbells, a couple of benches, and some kettlebells. Back outside to the left is another small meeting room and one of two laundries on the property. And here are two more places to grab some lunch or dinner. Frank and Lola's Pizzeria and the Feeding Frenzy. You order from the same window, but they do have two different kitchens. And to pick up your order, you come to the other side here, to this window. You'll find plenty of seating here to enjoy your food, and even though it can get hot during the summer, they do keep the air moving with multiple fans. Margaritaville has two pet spas. And several dog parks. Try your skill at the Parrot Island Mini Golf Course. Here at the Parrot Island, you have another play area, but also another excellent place for meetings. Throw in a cornhole game area, fire pits, and an ice cream truck just for good measure. And across the parking lot is a very large pavilion which can handle multiple types of events. We've even attended events here with over 600 people. And lastly, they have a pickleball, basketball, and volleyball courts, an ice machine, and they even sell propane. All right, so let's talk about the value for money, because we are in a premium site and it's a little over, this is non-peak season, yeah. It's a little over $100 a night for where we are. Now, I want to tell you, we will have their website down below because the prices do change seasonally, yes, like most RV parks. So make sure you check their website down below. Now, yes, what do you think about the value? Is this worth it?
I absolutely think it's worth it because of the amenities as we showed you earlier. I mean, there are 3 kitchens here. The place is pristine, it's clean. Yeah. You have so much to do and it's large, just upkeep by itself, yeah. Right?
I mean, so when you talk about the staff, I mean, how many times have we seen the landscapers cleaning stuff, spraying stuff,
Every
trimming
day.
stuff. And not only that, but I was up at the pool the other morning, and they have a whole team of people that come in every day and wipe down all of those chairs.
That's right.
Hey, listen, there are cheaper places to stay. You just don't
Right.
get that kind of service,
That's
right?
right.
So, Clay, real quick, who do you think would best enjoy this park?
I think, families, couples, groups, anybody really, because there is just so much and more to do here, and it's something for everybody.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, no doubt about it. I agree with you. It's certainly family oriented. We have seen a lot of families here, and it's so beautiful to see folks here with their beautiful families. But also, how many couples have we met?
That's right.
So we enjoy it. I mean, every evening we're up at the Tiki Hut or at
That's
the
right.
License and Chill Bar, meeting other folks and talking.
Yeah.
So it's great for community and certainly great for big events.
That's right.
And rallies.
That's
Yeah.
right.
All right.
Yeah.
We good?
We're good.
All right. Well, I think that's going to do it for this review of Camp Margaritaville in Auburndale, Florida. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos, click on one of those on the screen. We hope to see you there. Until next time,
Be well and stay safe.